Welcome everyone to the webinar on uniFLOW Online 2025.2. In the next 10 to 15 minutes, I will be giving you a walkthrough and I will highlight the key features that enhance printing and scanning processes with this release. Now, we're ahead of the curve by aligning with Microsoft's latest print technologies for improved compatibility and expanding our multi-vendor capabilities to deliver a seamless user experience across all brands. Additionally, we're enhancing the cloud integrations for powerful solutions in a hybrid work environment. So without further ado, let us start with the Microsoft's protected print mode and its impact on the new printing environment. So, as I said, let's take a quick look at the Windows Modern Print platform. It's Microsoft's preferred method for printer communications moving forward. Now, this platform uses IPP, which is normally used for the remote printing, and it also has the universal print for compatibility with the MOPRA certified printers. Now, a key advantage of the platform is the elimination of third-party drivers, which basically simplifies printing. Next, I just want to touch on the Windows Protected Print Mode settings. Nothing in great detail. This is not a technical forum. Basically, the settings which basically utilizes the modern print stack, which blocks V3 and V4 drivers. Very important. Now, currently, it's off by default. It's supported from Windows 11 version 24H2, I believe, with future expectations for a default activation. So once this has been, if you like, activated by default, it will block V3 and V4 drivers. Very important. And probably your customers are actually looking at this particular platform as we speak. So now let's introduce the uniFLOW Online virtual printer app and see what that is all about. Well, the new uniFLOW Online virtual printer app significantly supports Windows protected print mode. The key advantage of the app is its lightweight and driverless nature, simplifying the printing process. Now, it's a journey in its development, and future releases will aim to close the feature gap with the uniFLOW Smart Client. So what I want to do now is just highlight the benefits of the virtual printer app in some detail. So this app allows printing from PCs with the Windows Protected Print Mode enabled, ensuring compatibility with the latest protocols, which is the IPP printing for remote printing across the internet, for example. It supports ARM PCs like Copilot Plus devices, basically reflecting the trend towards ARM architecture. It's easily downloadable from the Microsoft Store. Users only need their tenant URL and their uniFLOW Online account details to basically get themselves started. Now, importantly, no smart client is currently required. It's basically streamlining the transition for organizations to this modern printing platform, which is soon to be coming. So next, we'll discuss its lightweight and secure nature, basically just wrapping it all up. So I keep emphasizing this, the app is very lightweight and it is extremely secure, providing a consistent experience across Windows devices without any additional software. Now, by removing traditional drivers, security risks are minimized, making it extremely ideal for zero trust environments. Another key aspect of this, it reduces the IT overhead and supports the hybrid workforce with minimal setup. So with that said, let's explore now the new embedded app for Sharp devices. So introducing the new embedded app for Sharp devices, integrating into a secure, zero trust compatible ecosystem. Wow. It features a consistent user interface that enhances usability across mixed fleet environments. Now, this development strengthens our value proposition for our partners and opens up a new co-selling opportunity for our partners as well as Canon sales. So now let's see how the Sharp app ensures a consistent user experience for the user. Now, as you can see from the slide, the Sharp app maintains a consistent look and usability across platforms. So if you have a Canon device and you have the Sharp device, it's basically enabling the user to have that easy navigation regardless of what device they're going to release their print jobs from. So again, just really showing how it's easy to navigate, and it's a very similar interface to the modern UI on a Canon device. Next, let's see how uniFLOW Online supports mixed fleets effectively. Now, with uniFLOW Online, organizations benefit from a standardized print submission process using our beloved universal driver for consistent output across all brands. The My Print Anywhere feature allows users to release their jobs from any supported device, ideal for that flexible environment. Now, this streamlines print infrastructures and enhances that user experience. Again, just one driver to release to them all. So let's discuss scanning. Now, we'll move away from printing for a moment, and let's discuss scanning directly into NetDocuments. What is NetDocuments, you ask? Well, basically, it's a leading cloud-based document management system, especially for law firms. Now, with 2025.2, users within this environment can scan directly into the NetDocuments from Canon multifunction devices, speeding up the process and enhancing security. So users can enter metadata directly from the device, ensuring the correct filing and ultimately the easy retrieval of those documents that have been uploaded into the system. So let's see how users navigate folders on the Canon device. So as you can see from the slide, this basically demonstrates that users can select the correct cabinet, which is basically within the NetDocuments environment, and navigate to the appropriate folder directly from the Canon device. That is the key advantage here, ensuring the accurate filing from the offset. So now let's explore what the bi-directional communication with NetDocuments is all about. So basically, the integration with NetDocuments enables bi-directional communication, which is key for allowing devices to actually pull live data and automatically populate metadata fields when a client or client matter is selected. Now, this will dramatically reduce errors and accelerate the filing process. And also, you can use the filing assist system that we have within uniFLOW Online to obviously help with pre-populating the scan in terms of getting it into those cabinets and those workspaces. So next, we'll see how direct scanning enhances efficiency. So basically just wrapping this all up. So the benefits of scanning directly into NetDocuments, I think you can see, allows quick and accurate filing, and more importantly, the retrieval of documents very quickly and when handling cases. It reduces the administrative tasks for the legal team, so they can basically get on with all the tasks that you find within a legal environment. So basically now let's discuss support for multiple Microsoft Exchange Online instances. Well, uniFLOW Online now supports multiple Exchange Online instances now, ideal for organizations with several Microsoft 365 tenants. The multi-tenant app helps simplify the setup and reduces that administrative effort, because there's quite a lot of information that needs to be keyed in, and the multi-tenant app helps with this to ensure that we have these multiple instances in one interface. So for example, a multinational firm with say separate Microsoft 365 tenants for each region can now connect them to uniFLOW Online seamlessly through the app. There's no complex workarounds, etc. involved, giving IT that headache and that burden. So now let's discuss printing from various cloud storage instances too. So I like to frame this basically continuing with the multi-instance story. With 2025.2, Users can now print from multiple configured cloud storage instances, including services like OneDrive, SharePoint, Google Drive, Dropbox, basically all of the cloud storage services that are currently supported within uniFLOW Online. Now, this functionality enables easy access for printing of documents from various accounts or regions, all through, and this is the key, a single interface being uniFLOW Online. For example, a project manager working on a collaborative project can access and print documents stored across various cloud platforms without the need to switch accounts. So very easy to use. So, okay, let's wrap up this section and review the improved usability features that enhance the user experience across the cloud accounts that I've just spoken about. Just to reiterate on that, the ability to scan to multiple Exchange online environments enhances the flexibility, which one would expect, allowing users to print seamlessly from various cloud instances. And the key here is within a single uniFLOW Online tenant. So not multiple tenants, multiple instances in one tenant. That's the goal. So this highlights the overall benefits for the modern workplace. So finally, let's wrap up. I did say it's a quick overview. This concludes our overview for the webinar. These updates enhance the platform's power in terms of its flexibility and security for today's hybrid workplaces. Now, as I say, this has been a very quick overview, but for more deep details, please refer to the release information, as always, on the partner site, which you can get a full insight for what I've explained in the webinar. So with that, thank you for your attention, and see you on the next release.